Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder notifications. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder notifications, you should just go to settings. After that, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, we click on the window of Tinder. Then here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. Here you will search about Play Store. You will search about Tinder. You will find here an uninstall. Then you can wait a moment and you can install again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.